In this video, let me show you how to turn on and off Find My on your MacBook Neo. Find My is currently turned on, and to verify this, you simply have to go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and then over here you should click on your Apple ID on the top left corner. Then on the right side, you should see Devices and click on your MacBook Neo. And then this will open. You should see your MacBook Neo and then Find My Mac. And right now it's turned on. Okay, so that's how you know it's turned on. How do you turn it off, you may ask? Well, the easiest way is to click on your Apple ID again on the top left corner. Then you're going to tap on iCloud. Then you're going to tap on See All. And then you should see Find My Mac. Click here. And right now it's turned on. If you want to turn this feature off, select Turn Off over here. And then select Turn Off over there. Both needs to be turned off. Press Done and you have disabled Find My. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, comment, subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links for different USB accessories compatible with your MacBook Neo. See you.